So listen, exercise 3.15, sum number 5. The school announces that for a certain competition, the cash prize will be distributed for all the participants equally as shown below. It will be clear visible. The school announces that for a certain competition, the cash prize will be distributed for all the participants equally as shown below. So they are giving one table and they are asking find the constant of variation, that is constant value. Graph the above data. By using this table, we have to graph the above data and find each participant get if the number of participants are 12. So listen, sum number 5, this is by the given data. 2 participants means 180 they are getting, 4 will be participant means 90, so 6 means 60 and 8 means 45, 10 means 36 each they are getting. So listen, first we need to find what it will be increasing or decreasing. So here x 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it will be what? Increasing order. Number of students will participate what? 2 and then 4 and then 6 and then 8, 10. But amount of participants, so total amount will be 180. 2 participants means 180. So now 4 means 90, 6 means 60, 8 means 40. It will be what? Decreasing order. So this is x. Number of participants we are denoting x. Number of amount means we denote y. So x is increasing and y is decreasing. So x will be increasing, y will be decreasing means it is indirect variation. Direct means both will be increasing. Indirect means one is increasing, another one is decreasing. So the formula for indirect variation is xy equal to k. X equal to what? 2. Y equal to what? 180. 2 into 180 equal to what? 360. Right? So no need to write like this. Xi equal to k is the formula. They are asking the constant variation is there. They are asking also what? Constant variation. Straightly you write xy equal to k, x equal to 2, y equal to 180, 2 into 180 equal to k, 2 into 180 360 is equal to k. So this value we need to take no need. If suppose you want him, this value you take 4 into 90 360, 6 into 60 360, 8 into 45 360, 10 into 36 360. So any value you take means you are getting the k is what? The same thing you are getting. Right? So first subdivision will be over. Then second one they are asking by the graph we have to denote, and also if the number of each participant are 12, number of participants will be 12 means then the each participant will get what? 2 means they are getting 180. So number of participants will be increasing means the value will be increasing. So here 12 means 12 participants will be participated means how much amount they will get each, right? So that one we have to find. So now we move to the graph. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 units. So see here the graph. X-axis I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this we are taking. So x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. X-axis participant, how many participants they are participating. Y-axis is the amount, how much amount they are getting. So 20, 40, 60. I take what? 20 times. Right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 like this we are taken. So the scale will be 1 centimeter equal to 20 units. So by the given data 2, 180. 2 will be here. 180 2 180 will be here, right? 2 comma 180, and then 4 comma 90, 4 will be here, 90, 80 here will be 90, so 4 comma 90. And then 6 comma 60, 6 60, then 8 45, 8 45, here 20, here 40 60, 50, 8 45. So here given 45, 8 comma 45, 8 will be here, here 40, here 60, 40 and 50 will be here, 45 will be in the middle. So this is 8 comma 45. Then 10 comma 36, 10 will be here, 20 40, in between 30 we are having, 30 to 40, 10 units means in center 36, 10 comma 36. In direct variation we have to draw the curve like this. In board we can't be able to draw the clearly, so like this we have to draw. The curve will be see the book, the clearly we are having the visible. So like this we have to draw, and then what you have to find, the number of student will be 12, so the curve 12 will be here. So listen, so number of participants will be 12 means formula is what? xy equal to k, participant will be x, so 12, y, k equal to, already you find 360, so 12 3 times 360, so already we are having on 0, so y equal to 30. Straightly apply the formula, we get the result. So here we are having 12, 30 where here we are having 30, so in between we are having, so we have to write one line, draw one line, 30, right? So like this we have to draw the line. So we will send the graph sheet properly in the WhatsApp, so don't worry. So see the how we have to find the constant term. By using the formula xy equal to k, we find the constant value, and then if the number of the participants are 12, then each participant will get what they are asking. So we know the x value 12 is we are having, they are asking the questions 12 participate means what is the value? xy equal to k, we already find the k 360, substitute the value for x, the cancel means we are getting y equal to 30. That's all, take down. Thanks.